Hi, I'm Juliana McMillan-Wilfoy, and I want to invite you to expand your career opportunities through GIS. I am now offering a GIS-specific coaching career program. As I've looked at the GIS landscape over the past decade that I've been involved with this field, what I found is that the GIS career progression is a little bit different than in many different fields, both because it's so technical, but also because you need to have subject matter expertise. So what I'm launching now is a program that will help you look at where you want to be in 5 years, where you want to be at the end of your career. What skills do you need to grow and to fill in those gaps? And how can you then market yourself? How can you network to fill in those gaps? I have a decade of GIS experience. I've worked in a variety of different organizations, ranging from a Big Four accounting firm to running my own business full-time to working for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. I can help come alongside of you and partner with you to be your coach and your encourager to help you move along in your career. I am so excited to work with you and to move along with you. So drop me a line and we can chat a little bit more about what these coaching programs might look like for you.